Make money with Pinterest. Are you tired of the same old 9-to-5 grind? Do you have a passion for creativity and a desire to turn your hobby into a lucrative business? Well, my friend, have you considered Pinterest? That's right, this popular platform isn't just for saving recipes and home decor inspiration. With over 400 million active users, Pinterest has become a hotspot for entrepreneurs and influencers looking to monetize their passions. But how exactly can you make money on Pinterest? That's what we're here to explore. From creating a killer profile to mastering affiliate marketing, we'll take you through everything you need to know to turn your Pinterest addiction into a profitable venture. Hey there, Pinterest enthusiasts! Are you looking for ways to make money on this amazing platform? Well, look no further because today we're going to teach you exactly how to do it. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent hours scrolling through Pinterest, saving pins and creating boards, and thought to yourself, there has to be a way to make money doing this? Well, you're in luck because there is. First things first, you need to create a Pinterest business account. So, step 1 is to create a Pinterest business account. This is super easy to do, and it's completely free. All you need is a regular Pinterest account, and then you just convert it into a business account. This is important because it gives you access to additional features that aren't available to regular users, such as Pinterest Analytics and the ability to promote pins. Creating a business account is easy. All you need to do is go to Pinterest's business account creation page and follow the steps to convert your regular account into a business account. Once you have your business account set up, it's time to start creating boards. As we mentioned earlier, it's important to focus on a specific niche when creating your boards. This way, you can attract a targeted audience who are interested in the same things as you. For example, if you're into fashion, you could create boards focused on different styles or clothing items, such as boho chic, winter coats, or shoes for every occasion. This allows your followers to easily navigate your profile and find the content they're looking for. When it comes to pinning, it's important to focus on quality over quantity. This means only pinning high-quality images and content that are relevant to your niche. You want your followers to trust that they can come to your profile for the best content in your chosen niche. To make pinning easier, you can use a tool like Tailwind. Tailwind allows you to schedule your pins in advance, so you can set it and forget it. This is especially useful if you have a busy schedule and don't have time to manually pin every day. Next up is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale that you generate. To get started with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs available, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, you can start promoting products on Pinterest by creating pins with affiliate links or linking to products in your board descriptions. Just make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links so your followers know. Another way to make money on Pinterest is through sponsored content. This is where a company pays you to create content on Pinterest promoting their product or service. When working with sponsored content, it's important to only work with companies that align with your values and that you actually believe in. Your followers trust you, and you don't want to lose that trust by promoting something that you don't truly stand behind. Finally, tracking your analytics is important for understanding what's working and what's not. Pinterest's analytics tool allows you to see which pins are getting the most engagement, which boards are getting the most followers, and much more. This data can be used to adjust your strategy and optimize your content for maximum engagement. So there you have it, a more detailed guide on how to make money on Pinterest. Remember, building a successful Pinterest profile takes time and effort, but with some hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Now, let's talk about the importance of branding on Pinterest. Your profile and boards should have a consistent look and feel that represents your brand. This means using a consistent color scheme, fonts, and imagery. You want your followers to be able to easily recognize your pins and associate them with your brand. But don't be afraid to inject some personality into your branding as well. Pinterest is a platform where creativity and individuality are celebrated. Using your brand's unique voice to create pin descriptions that are informative and engaging, but also fun and playful. Another unique aspect of Pinterest is the ability to collaborate with other users on group boards. Group boards are a way to expand your reach and connect with other people in your niche. You can invite other users to contribute to your group board or join other people's group boards to collaborate and share content. But be careful not to join too many group boards. You don't want to spread yourself too thin and lose focus on your own boards. It's better to be a member of a few high-quality group boards that are relevant to your niche than to be a member of a ton of low-quality boards. And let's not forget about Pinterest's fun and quirky features, such as secret boards and Pinterest trends. Secret boards are great for planning content in advance or creating a private board for personal inspiration. And Pinterest Trends is a tool that allows you to see what's trending on Pinterest and create content that's timely and relevant. Making money on Pinterest takes hard work and dedication, but it's also a fun and creative platform that allows you to express yourself and connect with like-minded people. So go forth and start pinning. Who knows, you might just become the next Pinterest superstar. So there you have it, folks, a detailed guide on how to make money on Pinterest. With its unique features and engaged user base, Pinterest is a platform that offers endless possibilities for monetization. But it's not just about making money, it's about pursuing your passions and sharing your creativity with the world. So take these tips and put them into action, and who knows where your Pinterest journey will take you. Happy pinning!